Hey everyone, Millionaire Advice here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a new way to make $10,000 a month online as a beginner in 2023. If you're interested in building a successful online business, stay tuned because you're going to learn some valuable insights that can help you achieve your financial goals. As many of you know, traditional jobs have limitations. You can only earn a fixed salary, and it's not always enough to meet all your financial needs. Additionally, you're trading your time for money, which means you're limited in how much you can earn. This is where building an online business comes in handy. The solution: building an online business. Building an online business offers unlimited potential to earn money. However, many people are unsure where to start. That's why I'm here to help. Let's explore some of the steps you can take to build a successful online business. The first step is to find a niche that you're passionate about. This could be anything from fitness to cooking, to travel, to personal finance. By choosing a niche that you're passionate about, you're more likely to stick with it in the long run. Next, you'll need to build a website. This can be done quickly and easily using platforms like WordPress or Squarespace. Your website will be the foundation of your online business, so it's important to make it professional and user-friendly. Once you have your website up and running, it's time to start creating content. This could be blog posts, videos, podcasts, or any other form of content that resonates with your audience. Finally, it's time to monetize your content. There are many ways to do this, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, digital products, or e-commerce. Choose a monetization strategy that aligns with your niche and the needs of your audience. In conclusion, building an online business offers unlimited potential to earn money, but it requires effort and dedication. By finding your niche, building your website, creating content, and monetizing your content, you can start making $10,000 a month online as a beginner in 2023. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.